Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tap button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match and enable this function. Tap next, agree and continue. Now go back, enter lock screen, and also make sure that this function is enabled. Thanks to that, you'll be able to activate Google Assistant on lock screen. Simply say, "Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?"
It'll be mostly sunny, with a high of 63 and a low of 35.
If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.